Today is April 12th, 2021, and I'll be doing this video on ticker symbol LAZR. I got in this trade on the short side today. I'm looking for a continuation of this overall trend. It's going down. This looked like it had some big potential to. It broke past this level, and I was looking for it to possibly break past this level and to really run. I was looking for this type of drop about let's see, what is this? Close to about 15% or so, but get into the charts. I was looking for a drop similar to this. I mean, it just kept dropping. I got in this trade at 151, and I got stopped out at 2 o'clock. Um, just look how this continues down. Consolidates, continues down, consolidates, continues down. This really looked like it had big potential to drop. It dropped in the morning, and then it popped back up. Then it consolidated, under VWAP. Then I was looking for it to drop under this level right here, under like 2036, and consolidate. And I was looking for it to drop again and just continue that overall trend, breaking this level. If it would have broken this level downward, I mean, it had a lot of room to run. It probably had about another 5 to 8% left to run in it if it would have dropped past that level, in my opinion. But let's see what happened. Go to the 1 minute. What happened was that it dropped, consolidated at this level that I was looking for it to break. It broke past that level, then it popped back up, then consolidated, and then started to drop, getting rejected by this level. My trend line isn't that straight, but yeah, I was looking for it to just continue downward. This didn't really have much strength in it, but it did end up stopping me out. I got out at 2032 for a 0.5% loss. I got stopped out. Let's see, right around it here. Right here on this, I think my stop loss was at like 2033. I didn't want it to break 32. I wanted to just continue down, but it didn't. It stopped me out, then it dropped, then it popped back up, then it actually got rejected at this level, which is interesting because the exact bottom, let's see, the low of this is 2040. The low of this candle is 2040, which is the exact high of that. So, I wasn't even really looking at that, but I probably should have been. But still, I was just wanting to continue down. If it popped back up and showed some strength, that wouldn't have been a good sign like later on in the day. I don't think. If it would just continue down, that would have showed more potential for follow through. Um, I mean, it wasn't a bad trade. It was a pretty good trade, but what I should have been paying attention to more is probably like time of day. Like, yeah, sure, it could have like kept on dropping. Like, I mean, it showed that potential. Like, if you're just like looking at this chart, and you're looking at it, and you're like, okay, let's see it. Okay, it dropped past this level. Let's keep watching it. And you're like, oh crap, it's getting rejected. It's gonna keep going down. Like, these are 5 minute candles. So, and it shows that little hint that it's gonna continue dropping, then it doesn't, and then it just pops back up, then it, you know, stops me out. And but it wasn't a bad trade. I mean, I lost $40 on it. That's not too bad. Um, like again, like with these trades, I look for hundreds of dollars to make. So if I lose like, 30, 40, 50, or even sometimes like $80, it's not really the end of the world, depending on, the risk to reward. I might lose a lot, but the losses are small relative to the to the winners. Um, it just sucks to lose. It sucks at losing at anything. It really does, and you gotta be tough to get through this. You can't you can't have a thin skin. You gotta do a lot of grinding and have a lot of faith in yourself, or you'll never make it in this industry. Um, but yeah, I lost $40 on this trade. If you look again at the daily, I mean, it just keeps dropping. And like again, I said I was looking for a day that would have been like this, to where it would have just dropped a lot. And those are the days that you really make the big money. But again, I should have been paying more attention to time of day, because I usually look and see what the stock's done the last couple of days, and kind of go with that trend. I know on this day it dropped a lot, but these last 2 days, if you looked at the time, um, past 2:30, it kind of rallies a little bit. Kind of rallies here too a little bit. So I at the end of the day, and usually when I have these trades towards the end of the day, I want to hold them to the end of the day. But if the last 2 days the stocks kind of rallied kind of strong, maybe I shouldn't have looked for that end of day type of momentum trade. Again, this is like consolidation area. It's dropping, but it's not dropping a whole lot, and it's dropped a lot here. So they bring a lot of panic into it, and it dropped below that level under VWAP, and it looks like it's going to just continue down. But the last couple of days, at that time of day, it's rallied at the end of the day. So maybe I shouldn't have had that much faith in this stock to keep dropping, but um, the risk to reward was pretty good. The fees to borrow this stock was only like $14. Um, so it wasn't a whole lot, and I was risking 0.5% on this trade, uh, so it wasn't really that big of a deal. Well, I hope you like my video. Hope you like it. You guys take it easy. I'll see you again. Bye.